kala zai mi basari le documenting le speaker ini pati anong kalbuka kanong kalsan dari knowledge exchange ni durin kanong kala HIV/AIDS sumsanga Mizoram tuna hiyan HIV/AIDS vele kaite ai infected le affected hon tape be har san tham tak po tong na sa chuti rolin helaya refugee atele chin state ate lampanga borderline na sipai rural na wanga medication na thilo AIDS space khatian khanom de no la chu tuna hian silait nunan la lilawa tuna hian damlo ilo wangin and kolna ton sa lo wangin medication ni lo wangin nunna lakme ni chu ma chuan tuna hian ke ni in tiam rolin Mizoram changi mani sponsor timian sponsor of the win mani sense of win kan kala tuna hian ke mani lo na tu le asum dozo ram kalo ma se ka unaute impum khanata le chanpuinata kanam kala station chana kala Maryland ate Milwaukee ate eta Dallas Texas ate kanam kala eta Indiana ate kanam kala takina po undam pangave ran kale dona Sunday big church chana kain sem dara voini apo kepo karon klai don chan ka jo CBSC church karon zai po ta hun te ron ne ya achen mun chang chang kal wala kain sem dara ta karon kal thei kalom le ya sorin zanina kan secretary ka so bok to zana concern aro idona kha kan mu naw ta na dam toy te lo ni khin to le education support no pang nu le pa te wang te le no pang tak tak AIDS infected le affected wang le ka sil thei lo ta po concern donation ran khondon khani ya chu athepiam ro tel sa turin kasong woi chu kan suya woi ya kan coachan mezo Christian coachan in hun mang thia in siam awang le pathian in hun than pe ma tu kan sui masabong ani masatan woi ni lo mom ni ema chu wang so ta pe chu woi khat America USA ron then woi khat na ni awangin long thu sui na tan le tu po tan he Mother's Day te dia nu le pa tan te nu ta te o katan khan long thu sui na tan voin digan sanga voi ilom mi digan sanga zo ma kha pot ila chon la pani sa tur mi tia ado tu le so nu ta tan liu in karon te ke dona hei so kan pai tan voi ilom ti karon sanga
Be
Thank you. The Barcelona hemi boy mother stable liolewin Barcelona long to Serena and the so anu the so khai lo im sia thiam ka lo ringa nu te hi mi sia ngai sang chi de hi no pang te chakin miss ai ne kan teacher ho a bo miss ho li ne bula hen tuition kala du kara sela chuanin kanu hi guide la dia enkima chu ko en kol dan te chuanin enkima mi mangai da song song pathian mutura le pathian tok tura in pe tura kanu na bo sai na song song a number 1 a chun pa chu ko lu pera dia chu ti ro chu lu te pe kap te lo chun e ti na ma ni don lo ti na sei do a chuanin ve ni a kanu ai Mizoram oma chu chun ta USA ho tan bi kan te le chu la kapi trong tổ khan kanu image kan ko to ne kapi khan alo sir e wang chuan nu te poi mo sia I karon se le duwa chu kwa in chen ai lo chu kwa in va nu to pa ti khan mi sa san chu ko san in lo to ma har sa ta sang bo pe don ti ka se ke ma u na pa ni mi che ka ne ya ni po pa san ni ve to har sa ti bo ma se nu te in pe na thu se chu 100% and 50% che ka se pui me ke bo ka so 100% zong zong se tu ka chuan in ro pui se ka pathian thil sim ro pui se ka alang ka se chuan nu te ka fak thlo chu ka ai sam chu ka manga em chu ti kan se lo ni chuan wan ram kong mi ko mo tu pakhat in ni bo ka chuan voi ni hian lom thu soi na tan karon sa du bo ka chuan USA karon thil kha hian min pang ai te en kol tam takan tonga mi tu sa na te soi tu lunch dinner te min soma donation na ma po mani sumse in ticket te only na sa kami lom tu soi na tan ti do bo ka thank you ti kan sa young man, he was smiling as he came. And he said, friend, you may not know me now. Then he said, but wait, you used to teach my Sunday school when I was only 8. Every week you would say a prayer before the class would start. And one day when you said that prayer, I asked Jesus in my heart. Thank you for giving to the Lord. I had life that was changed. Then another man stood before you. He said, remember the time a missionary came to church and his pictures made you cry. You didn't have much money, but you gave it anyway. Jesus took the gift you gave, and that's why I'm here today. One by one they came, far as your eyes could see. Each life somehow touched by your generosity. The things that you have done, sacrifices made, an artist on the earth, in heaven now proclaim. I know up in heaven you're not supposed to cry, but I'm almost sure there were tears in your eyes as Jesus took your hand and you stood before the Lord. He said, my child, look around you, for great is your reward. Thank you for giving to the Lord. I had a life that was changed. Oh, thank you for giving to the Lord. I am so glad you came. Oh, I am life that was changed. Oh, thank you for giving to the Lord. I am so glad you came. I am so glad you came. Thank you. Al-Paro Verse, Zani Konsa Karo, Kami, or Sabolo Boxeni,